Pan-seared garlic butter chicken breast. It's a delicious, mouth-watering, fantastic recipe. Super healthy, budget-friendly chicken breast with some steamed vegetables. We all can make this recipe under 15 minutes of our time. Best part, 15 to 20 minutes is the cooking time and 15 to 20 minutes is the whole budget for this.
Born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make delicious garlic butter chicken breast with very simple ingredients. First thing first, we will turn on our stove. It should be on the medium flame. Medium flame means 350 degrees. Let's take the chicken breast out, give it a rinse and have some cuts on the chicken breast. This is 2 pounds of the chicken breast fillets. The whole chicken breast fillet have at least 75% cuts on it, so all the marinade, all the flavor gets into the breast. So we will be having, these are the chunks. So once you cut it, just use meat smasher or your knife. Just do some beating on the breast. This will be delicious chicken breast. Look at this. 2 pounds of the chicken breast is ready to get to be marinated. For the marinade, you will need butter. Of course, it's a butter garlic chicken, right? So this is 227 grams. Use any brand, but I suggest use pure Irish salted butter. There you go. Put this in microwave for 1 minute. Our butter is getting melted. Take blender juicer. We will take garlic, peeled 10 to 15 cloves of fresh garlic, oregano, half tablespoon of oregano. These are the carom seeds, quarter tablespoon of the carom seeds, quarter tablespoon of the black pepper. This is all 227 grams of melted butter. Add it in your blender juicer. Let's blend this so it perform a perfect paste. This is the butter and garlic, goes all in here. Garlic butter chicken breast is completely marinated with the dry spice and the liquid marinade. Easy to do, 4 to 5 ingredients and you will get delicious garlic butter chicken breast. It's pan fried, it's more easy to do at home. Give it a good mix at least for a couple minutes. Look at this, it smells so good. Garlic butter chicken breast is ready. So easy, huh? If your butter is not salted, you can add half tablespoon of the salt in here, or if you don't want to add the sodium, it's all fine. Pan in a pot combo is on the stove and it's preheated. Garlic butter breast face down from where we had the cuts, land it. This is the second. Look at these, looking good. Face down, just like this. Remaining marinade, it's all butter and the flavors and the garlic. It goes in here. Let it cook, let it get seared, let it get fried. Leave it like this. 6 minutes, we'll do a flip. Let me give you a time frame. Just say 7:44 right now. By 7:50, we will flip these guys up. 6 minutes are gone at medium flame, 350 degrees. Let's do a flip. Pan-seared, pan-charred. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. And look at this beauty. This is the perfect example how to make delicious pan-seared garlic butter chicken. So my friend, we have 6 more minutes to go. By 7:56, 57, chicken breast, we will do a temperature check if it's done or not. That's what you have to do as well. Look at the time, 7:56, all together 12 minutes. It's right here. We just flip the sides. Let's do a temperature check. Okay, so if it reaches above 165, it's ready. So here you go, deep into the breast. You're not touching the pan surface. So if it goes above 165, so breast is ready. This is the thickest part. Let's get in this, not touching the surface. We are okay with that. Perfectly done. Easily done in 12 minutes at 350 degrees in the pan. Let's turn off the stove. These are the steam bag vegetables we are using. it says put it for 4 to 5 minutes in your microwave, they will be ready. So let's put this. Stoves are on. Here is the moment of truth. Yes, look at this fillet. Crusty, crunchy, and will be the juicy from the inside. So here you go. The garlic crust. Wow. And here you go. Add this right here. Pan-seared in butter garlic and just 3-4 ingredients. This is the healthiest meal you can make. This is the taste test of our delicious garlic butter pan-seared chicken breast. Let's do a bare hand test first. So this is the breast fillet. The flavors and the crunch and garlic butter crust on it. Wow, here you go. First bite. Super healthy, budget friendly, full of flavor, complete healthy meal. Garlic butter crust. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. That's why we have cuts on it, so you can have bites out of it. Bites. Have some veggies with that, and man, homemade complete easy meal. 15 to 20 minutes is the cooking time, and 15 to 20 minutes is the whole budget for this delicious recipe. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Do hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video. And bye for now. This is the premium bite. Hungry bite.
Bring the energy one more time.